Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. So in today's video, we are actually going to be installing the Corksport pulley. So what you're going to want to do first is get inside your fender well. So in order to do that, you'll need to get a jack stand, jack it up, and then also come in here and start taking out some clips. So you want to take out this one here with a flat head, this one back here right behind the brake line, this one up here, and maybe one back there behind the shield. So we'll start doing that in a second and go from there. So as I was saying, in order to take out these clips, you're going to want a flathead. There is one clip here down below, one clip up here, one clip up there, and then you also got one behind the brake line right here. And then you secretly got one hidden right under here. And you'll just need to pull out of the way. So I need to do this. And you can get under it right there. And then you also have one tucked inside the well, right, where is it? Ah, right there. Yep, so once you get the plastic off here that goes in the shroud here, you're going to want to make sure that your car is in first or park if you have an automatic. Then what you'll want to do is take a 21mm socket that goes onto here, put it on an impact, and torque it off. So in order to loosen the belt, you are going to want to use a breaker bar with a 17mm or 11/16 on it and twist it. So when you twist it counterclockwise, you will see down here that the belt loosens. And right here, you're going to want to just pull it off. Give me a second. There's the one, and the other one too. So in order to take off this pulley, you got the one belt off, which we loosened up the tension there, pulled it off, and then this smaller belt that's onto the water pump, you're just going to want to take these three bolts that you see up here on your water pump. Those are 8mm, and you're going to just take them off and then go from there. So once you take off those three 8mm bolts up there, right where my brother's hands are, it will loosen the belt completely. And then once you do that, then you will want to put the car in gear and take it off with the 21mm bolt. So we got the pulley off, big piece here. So you'll see that there's this little tooth. You gotta be careful you don't lose this. After that, you're going to want to wiggle out the piece with a pry bar, which I was just using a regular pry bar. I was wiggling it from the left side. Wow, if the light would work, that'd be nice. I'd just wiggle it right on this side, get underneath and wiggle it here, and then I'd do it on the same side, or on the other side. Once it starts to wiggle a little bit, then you should be able to just pull it straight off, and then be able to install the new one as we got right here. So once you get the pulley off, you install a new one. Make sure that tooth lines up with the other one, the slot on this new pulley. Put this 21mm bolt on hand snug. And then next what you'll want to do is reinstall the water pump cover, which is those three 8mm bolts that I'm showing in the photo right here and here. And just install that and then put the belt around that as well. Okay. So in order to do the belt, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top here, use the breaker bar on that pulley tensioner to loosen it. Make sure you got it on all the pulleys all the way how it's supposed to be mounted. Loop it around. Use the tensioner to loosen it, and then just slide it over top of the brand new pulley that you just installed. Yeah. So once you get your water pump pulley belt on, you are going to want to do your serpentine belt on next, and to do that you are going to want to loosen the tension, slide it over, and then once you finish all that, you're going to want to put a 21mm socket, torque this down to 67 to 80 foot-pounds, and then reinstall your plastics. So So it is currently the next day, nice, beautiful, and sunny out. I've driven about 200 kilometers, give or take. Definitely recommend doing this sooner than later. I definitely recommend torquing down the pulley one last time, so jacking it up, taking off the plastic and tire and all that stuff, torquing it down to 67 to 80 foot-pounds just in case it does come loose, just from driving on it for a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just finishing up editing this video. Should be up in the next 2 weeks, give or take, because I still have to upload another transmission motor mount video. And then, what else do I have to do? Oh, I need to do the shifter bushings. Also, I did want to say a huge thank you to the 205 subscribers that I think I currently have. Yeah, 205 subscribers. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys very much for all your support and everything. Leave a comment down below whether or not you think I should do a giveaway of something like a gift card or whatever it might be. So yeah, leave a comment down below. But anyways, that's it for today's video. If you comment, like, subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.